Welcome to WB Institution, the online learning hub. Today we are going to discuss about engineering ethics. Before entering into the core concept, we must understand what is ethics. Ethics, the word derived from Greek language. It's called as ethos. Ethos means character. What is character actually? A character is nothing but a mental or a moral quality of a person. A character is nothing but mental or a moral quality of a person. The character makes that person differs from other. That is, the character distinct a people from other people. Okay, now ethics. Actually, the ethics is a relation between character and habit. The another Greek word called ethiko. The ethiko means a habit. It tells, actually ethics tells there is a relationship between character and habit. That is, a person who has good habit, definitely he will have a good character. For example, a person have a habit of reading a philosophical books. A person have the habit of reading a philosophical books, then definitely that person will have some philosophical ideology character. Or example, make it in a negative way, a person who have see or listen about some adultery works or some about adultery materials, that person, the way he thinks, the way he see, the way he behave will be bad. It shows a person have good character will definitely have a person of good habit, or else in vice versa, a person have good habit will have a good character. So ethics is nothing but which stays relationship between character and habit, which was derived from a Greek word. Okay, ethics is actually a moral philosophy. It is a branch of a moral philosophy. What is moral philosophy? Moral philosophy is nothing but questioning or inquiring what is good or what is bad, inquiring what is right or what is wrong. Okay, good, bad, right, wrong, all these are in a perspective of society view. All these are in a societal perspective or society view. Okay, we should not assume what is good or what is bad. That is individualistic view. Ethics is not an individualistic view. Ethics is a societal perspective. Society must say what is good and society must say what is bad. So ethics is all about collective responsibility, that is societal view or societal perspective of good or bad. To make it in a simple word, ethics, a branch of moral philosophy which deals or which is study or inquiry or question about what is good or what is bad in a societal perspective. Now we are going to leave what is value. Okay, what is value? A value is nothing but set of belief. A value is nothing but a set of belief which helps to make you some preference, which helps that to make you some preference. Preference on what? Preference on what? Certain thing or certain element, in favor or disfavor. Value is nothing but a set of belief which helps you to make some preference on certain thing or certain element in favor or disfavor. Say that example, tolerance, a kind of value. Tolerance is a kind of value. Here you made a preference to tolerate some person or to tolerate some behavior or to tolerate some law. Example, Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in freedom struggle adopted the value called tolerance. Okay, in this tolerance he made Europeans, that is British, to move away from our country. Okay, the direct opposite to Gandhian ideology is Adolf Hitler. Okay, Gandhi adopted tolerance, Gandhi adopted the value called non-violence, but Hitler directly opposite to Gandhi. He doesn't have tolerance. He had a value of violence to make Jewish people to move away from his country. So value is nothing but it is a set of belief. What you believe, that is the value. It is a set of belief which helps you to make some preference. Gandhi made a preference on violence. Hitler made a preference on, idu cut panikkalam.